How's it going, everyone? Today we're unboxing these Dewalt heavy-duty walkie-talkies. The model number of this is DXFRS300, and you can combine these with other Dewalt walkie-talkies as well. This is my second pair of these. Let's go ahead and open this up and see what it's all about. All right, it's all unboxed. There's definitely an easier way to do that. I obviously took the harder route, but we do have the dual charging stand right here. We'll take that off, and then you can see the dual charging stand, and it is USB-C, which is handy, and we do have the USB-C to USB-A cable included, but I'm sure you've probably got a bunch of USB-C cables you could use. And then the walkie-talkies themselves right here. So it does come in this little clip case right here, so you can clip that onto your belt or to your chest, whatever you want to, and it just comes out just like that. And let's go ahead and have a look at the walkie-talkie itself. So the call, the mode, IP67, so these are going to be great for rain and wet weather. They're totally going to stay dry, no problems whatsoever. This is your channel selector right here, on and off, and there you go. You can hear it buzz. So now we've got it completely on, and then we can go through mode and all that good stuff right here. We'll take that little sticker off, and you can see you can play around with it and change all the modes and all that. And then we want to switch it off. You just switch it off just like that. And then up top, we do have your little headphone jack, so you can use headphones with it as well if you want to. But yeah, pretty cool. Charging it, you can charge it. You can see the contact on the bottom. So let's go ahead and throw that one just right in there. And then we'll grab our other one right here. We'll take that piece right off. And then there's a little button on the front right there as well. That unclips, and then you can see it will fit nicely right into there. Hopefully I got that the right way. There we go. We've got it the right way now. All right, perfect. So they just sit right into there, and then you can plug them in and charge them. And then you have your clips on the side right there. Obviously, we do have the full instructions and all that if you want to read all that, but that's kind of just how they look out of the box. But yeah, let me know if you're going to pick these up. They're really fun. Like I said, in my second set of these, so I'll be playing around with them more with my other pair.